Morning dear students, welcome back to my online YouTube channel. I hope all of you are fit and fine. So in our previous video we have discussed about what adjectives are and about the functions of the adjectives. Today we will continue further and we will discuss about the kinds of the adjectives. So dear students, I want all of you to open up your English language books at page number 74. Before that, I would like to tell you about the main kinds of the adjectives. Okay. So the very first kind which we have is adjective of quality. Okay. We have adjective of quality. Okay. This is number one. Then number two we have adjective of quantity. Then we have number three, adjective of number. Then we have demonstrative adjective. Distributive adjective, then possessive adjective, and number 7 is interrogative adjective. Okay, so we have in total 7 kinds of adjectives which we will discuss: adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, distributive adjective, then we have possessive adjective and interrogative adjective. So the very first kind which we will discuss is adjectives of quality. Quality here means descriptive adjectives. We can also name them as descriptive adjectives. Okay. Now words that describe the color, size, sound, shape, taste, texture, etc. of noun or pronouns tell us about their quality. They are adjectives of quality. Okay. So all those words by which we get to know about the color, size, sound, shape, taste or texture, all these are considered as adjectives of quality. Now let's see here, like color, size, sound, shape, taste, texture, all these options, categories are given here. Now for color, blue, red, green, black, orange, all these are adjective words. Okay, these are the colors and these will tell us about the color of any particular noun or pronoun. Okay, then we have size here. Size tells us about that how big or small anything or person or place is. Now big, small, short, tall, thin, all these are considered as adjective words. Okay. Then sound, loud, quiet, nice, pleasant, faint. Shape, oval shape, round, square, rectangular, triangular. Then taste, by the sense of taste, tasting, we can get to know what taste is the thing of or any eatable thing, any edible thing: sweet, sour, bitter, salty, tangy. Then the texture, how we can feel the texture of any particular thing by touching it, whether it is soft or whether it is hard, smooth or rough. Okay, so smooth, rough, soft, bumpy, furry, all these words are considered as adjectives of quality. They would come under the category of quality, adjectives of quality. Then next, number 2, we have adjectives of quantity. Okay, words that describe the quantity of nouns or pronouns are called adjectives of quantity. Now, which will tell us that what is the amount of any particular noun or pronoun, means quantity, कितनी मात्रा में है. ठीक है, तो what are all those words? All, half, much, a little, no, some, most, right? Like we use these words in front of some nouns, na? Like if I say I have little water in my bottle, ठीक है? तो water we cannot count, we can measure it, so we will use little in front of that. I don't have much money, right? Then some, most, no, all these are telling us about the quantity of the nouns, so they are considered as adjectives of quantity. They do not provide the exact number, rather they tell us about the amount. They only tell us about the amount of any noun or pronoun, but they don't give us the exact number, so they are considered as adjectives of quantity. So they are generally used for nouns that cannot be counted. As I told you before, like water or milk, we cannot count. So the uncountable nouns in front of those to identify the quantity or to indicate the quantity, we use adjectives of quantity. Have you got any rice? Now see this example. Now here rice we cannot count, so we have used any. I didn't eat much breakfast. Breakfast is an uncountable noun, so we have used much. She has a lot of faith in God. Faith is an abstract noun. We cannot count it, so we are using a lot of. We need to buy some coffee. Coffee is again an uncountable noun, so we have used some here. Now coffee, breakfast, rice, faith, all these are nouns, and the words which are qualifying these nouns, those are the adjectives. Any, lot, much, some, all these are adjectives. Okay, then we have adjective of number. Adjectives of number means numeral adjectives, means it will give us the exact number of any particular noun or pronoun, like 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Now adjectives that describe the number of nouns and pronouns, that is how many nouns or pronouns are called adjectives of number. They are used with countable nouns, like here we are using adjective of quantity with uncountable nouns, but here in this case these are used with the countable nouns. Now for example, here he ate 5 mangoes. Mangoes we can count, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 is the adjective of number. We are getting the exact number of the mangoes. I don't have many friends. Many, we can count the friends here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So we have used many here. A centipede has 100 legs. We are getting the exact number here. We can count the legs of a centipede. It is an insect, very small insect. How was the first book? We are talking about the first book. Okay, so here book, friends, mangoes and legs are the nouns. Which words are qualifying these nouns? 5, 100, many and first. All these are the adjectives of number. Okay, now see here, numbers which are defined means जो exact number given है, numbers which are not defined, जहाँ पे हमें exact number नहीं given है. So here 1, 2, 3 first, all, some, most, more. All these we don't know the exact number here. हम एक in general view ले रहे हैं, ठीक है? But here we know the exact number. And in this case also, second, third, fourth, several, a few, many. So all these are the adjective of number, and the undefined numbers are where we don't know the exact number. जहाँ पे जो noun है वो exact number हमें पता नहीं है, तो वहाँ पे हम with countable nouns we can use these words all, some, most, more. Okay, several, a few, many. But in some of the cases with uncountable nouns, we use these terms like a little, much, most, half, some, all, no. But these all, some, most, more we can use with the countables, but only in that case where we can count the noun. Okay, but exact number is not there. Here also several, a few, many. Okay. Now both cardinal 1, 2, 3 and ordinal. Ordinal numbers all of you must be knowing, like first मतलब जो एक है और जो first position पे है, जिसका नंबर पहले आ जाता है उसको हम फर्स्ट बोलते हैं, फिर सेकंड, थर्ड एटसेट्रा, ठीक है। तो इनको हम ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स बोलते हैं। जो कार्डिनल नंबर्स हैं 1, 2, 3 बिलोंग टू डिफाइंड एडजेक्टिव्स ऑफ नंबर। ये डिफाइंड है मीन्स व्हेन वी आर श्योर अबाउट द नंबर। Indefinite adjectives of number, when we are not sure about the number but we can count them. Okay, so with those countable nouns where we are not sure about the numbers but they are countable, we use some, many, a few. So these are used with countable nouns. For example, I have brought some eggs. Okay, here we can count the eggs but the exact number is not given. There were a few children in the class. Children we can count individually but we don't know the exact number here, so we are just in general giving this, that a few children. Okay, so dear students, today we will discuss only in this video, we have discussed about the adjective of quality. So adjective of quality में all these words will be considered as adjective of quality. Apart from these, there are many other words like we can say beautiful, okay, then we can say ugly, untidy, ठीक है, pleasant. All these also tell us about the quality. Not only these words, there are many more words which indicate the quality. We will discuss about those also in our next video. So you can just go through this. Then we have discussed about the adjective of quantity, adjective of number. Okay, so rest of the topic we will cover in our next video. So till then, take care, have a good day, bye bye.